Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your December read now. Let's see what the month of December has in store for my handsome lions and my beautiful lionesses. These are general collective readings, Leo, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin your reading. Wow. Seven of Pentacles. So what seeds have you been sowing till now, Leo? This card just popped out, but I've put it back because we haven't started our reading, but now we're going to. So as I was saying, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being such a support to the channel. I'm very grateful for your presence. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. So, Leo, let's see. If any of you need a private reading, Leo, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And here's one secret message from the universe for you. Four of Wands on your mind. Security, stability, all yours, Leo, I think in the month of December. High Priestess, Ten of Swords, and the Six of Pentacles. So something ended in the past, Leo, recent past. You felt betrayed maybe, you felt something has totally come to an end here. I think after this ending, you being the brave lion or lioness, you walked away from this something which has kind of ended in your life. You've kind of walked away from this past situation. I have the Ten of Swords twice. My God. One is clarifying the other. So this is how complete this ending is now. It's totally over. Somebody, you or the other person, or maybe both of you, have walked away from something. This could be an old job, Leo. This could be a partnership. This could be a marriage. This could be a relationship. Something which is now, it's like the last nail on the coffin has been put now. There is no more going back to this. Now you've walked away from this. But the good part is here, Leo, it's started you on to a fresh new path now. There's a brand new, creative, fun, exciting path ahead of you now. So don't worry too much about it. This was in the past energy anyway. So whatever has ended has now put you on a path to start something new now. Whoever you were dealing with, I think made you feel very restless. This was a mischievous energy around you. Things were never really in balance. But I'm glad to see, Leo, that you have picked yourself up now here, and creative, happy new beginnings are coming for you. Right now, I think you're keeping a lot to yourself, it seems, with the High Priestess energy, about whatever has kind of ended or whatever towers have fallen around you. Even though you are now moving, things have totally stagnated here, that's for sure. But you are keeping a lot to yourself. You're not really sharing too much about this tower which has fallen. It may have hurt very badly. But Leo, please know that anything that ends in your life, if this tower has fallen, if whatever structure falls, it wasn't made on firm ground, right? It was made on sand, or it maybe the time was over. Everything comes to our life for a reason, season, lifetime, right? So if the reason or season was over, maybe it's not meant to last a lifetime. So you've seen this tower fall. It's kind of hurt you, and you are now you've still got a lot inside you. You now are looking for something stable in your life. You want to build again. You want to build something brick by brick, and make sure that it's a very firm foundation in your life. You're looking for a partnership or a connection where there is equal give and take now. With the Six of Pentacles energy, you feel what I give is what I should receive now. Yes, you are not opposed to, I think, a commitment. You are still, in your heart of hearts, deepest desire is yet still to have that very deep-rooted commitment where there is a good partnership, where there is equal give and take, where you can build, where you can trust. But you're keeping things to yourself, it seems, right now. You're not really talking to too many people. I think you're still in that process of releasing the past, of you letting down of old burdens. meditating, taking care of yourself, staying by yourself, I think mostly keeping quiet and planning on what you want next. But right now you're in between worlds, I think. This could have been something to do with your the stability of your home, stability of your marriage, stability of something which kind of blew up in your life, Leo. And yes, right now I think there's a lot of healing that is taking place in your life. You are healing from something which really blew up. Yes, it really blew up. But right now, I see you releasing the past, letting go of all these old burdens, these 10 wands, which were so heavy, to walk around with. You are quietly in contemplation, in your private moments. Yes, you are healing, you are thinking, but you're also now in the process of letting go of the past. You are now looking forward to something which is going to give you equal give and take. And this is in your future position. So, yes, there is a big possibility, Leo, that your future endeavors are going to be. But I don't see you taking any action at the moment. I don't see you kind of. You are more interested now in healing your life, Leo. You are looking for friendships or partnerships or just happy moments with your loved ones here. This could be with your close friends, close family, close, people who make you feel like home. You are looking for these partnerships right now who are going to give you this equal give and take, happiness. I don't think you're in too much of a hurry to start anything brand new or fresh where commitment is concerned once again. So, Six of Pentacles, Spirit. Yes, you're the wounded warrior now, Leo. You are now guarding yourself. Yes, you do have some fight left in you, but right now I think healing is not yet complete. You are still feeling a bit imbalanced with what's happened in your past. So you're still trying to heal yourself, balance it out, and soon you're going to be ready for one more fight in your life, Leo, but not right now, I think. Right now, I think you're still bandaged and hurting and still little guarded of anything fresh and brand new in your life. Right now you're still in that mode of healing and just kind of trying to get back into the world, get back into enjoying your time with your loved ones and so on. What is it that you are still holding on to? Yes, Leo, you are still holding on to this feeling of abandonment. You feel you've been left out in the cold. Now, please, Leo, I could be speaking to you right now. I could also be picking up the energy of your cross-watcher. So this could be the way you're feeling, or maybe this is how your cross-watcher's feeling after you've left them out in the cold. So somebody here is really holding on to this feeling that, love hurts. Love hurts and I'll always be abandoned. I'll always be left behind. I'll never have that warmth of. See, the Five of Pentacles is clarified by the Five of Pentacles. This is the amount of loss that you're still holding on to. You're still in a very sad and non-believing kind of a place where you feel that it's never going to work out for me. I'll always be abandoned. I'm not meant to have happiness in my life. Whoever comes into my life just leaves me and abandons me. So this is in the place of what are you holding on to? This is what you're holding on to, Leo. And I think it's time now, with this in reverse, it's time to let that go. This was just something that didn't work out, but now it's over. You have to heal and you have to get over this feeling of feeling abandoned and feeling left out. So one more card, Spirit, for the Five of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. Oops, so many. Yes, I don't think you're in that mood right now to work on anything new at the moment. You feel, what's the point of my putting in work? Whenever I put in any kind of work into a relationship, I keep putting in the work and I get abandoned and it all goes down the drain. So this is something that you're still holding on to, Leo, which is not good. Okay, so be a little mindful of where your thoughts are taking you. Yes, Leo, this is the Queen of Swords is a person who is now always on guard. They are like almost to that saying, hey, come to me and if you come to me wrong, I'm going to cut your head off. So I think you're becoming a little bit of a non-believer in partnerships, in love, in life in general, and being overly protective of yourself. That before anybody else can leave you out in the cold, Leo, you're becoming that angry and upset that you're saying, before anybody else can do that, I'm going to cut their head off now. I mean, I don't mean literally, but you get the gist of it. So this is what you're holding on to. What is it that you should let go of? Let go of the Knight of Cups. Why should Leo let go of the Knight of Cups, Spirit? Let go of the feeling, Leo, that somebody has to come to you with an apology. Maybe you're still waiting. Maybe, looking, waiting, that, maybe somebody will come to me with an apology or a sorry, or turn this thing around where they will tell me that they love me and they are upset and sad that they left me behind. This person will come back and take charge of the situation again, maybe take back control. Basically, you're looking for validation. You are looking for somebody to take action towards you and offer you love. I don't think you are in that place where you want to make any effort. All you want is that apology, that feeling of closure, maybe, where somebody comes and tells you that they did you wrong, so that you can leave this troubled mind of yours behind and then move to a calm space. Spirit is saying, I think it's time to let go of that. Just let go of looking for validation. Yes, that was the word I was looking for. You're still looking for validation from your past. Spirit is saying it's best that you leave all this behind and move on to a new chapter of your life. It's now time, Leo, this is your card. It's now time for you to take action and move ahead and not look back anymore. Okay? So what's going to be your biggest blockage now? Biggest blockage is the Knight of Swords. Rushing into things without thinking, maybe into love affairs. The World, the Lovers, and the Knight of Swords. How is this a blockage, Spirit? Yes, okay. So Spirit is saying that till you don't shut this chapter out completely, Leo, don't start a brand new one. Especially where love is concerned. Right now, you may be in that anger or upset. You are wanting to rush into something to find what you didn't find in the past. You're looking for this happily ever after. You're looking for passion. You're looking for love. Yes, that new beginning will come to you, Leo, after you complete the last chapter completely. Somewhere you are trying to rush, you're trying to do something rash, trying to achieve something like now, because you don't want to feel the pain or the healing that is really required right now, Leo, of your past situation. You feel, if I can rush into something new, find my happiness there, it'll make me feel better for what has ended in the past. But Leo, I think I said this in your last reading as well, you must take some time before jumping into anything new. This can become a blockage otherwise. Without, your past wounds may filter into your new relationship. Your past hurts you may carry forward with you to anything new. So make sure you don't rush into anything too quickly, any new relationship. Okay? So otherwise it'll become a blockage. So let's see now what's going to be, how do people see you? People see you as the magician. They wonder how you do it, Leo, how you can still appear this strong, how you can still smile, how you can still move forward in your life. They see you as a person who's no longer at crossroads now, who's made a firm decision, who has now got all the tools available for them. But they also see you as a little secretive here. They see you as now maybe bringing back balance in your own life. Maybe you've come through or come out of a legal case which you've won. You could have won in something legal here. You've come out smelling like roses. You've come out looking like the magician. People do see you that you are now no longer stuck at crossroads. You're free to choose a path, but they also see you as being a bit quiet, maybe a bit secretive, not revealing your secrets to everyone. They also see you, Leo, as very wise, very, very wise here, and as if you have it all with you, the high priestess and the magician. It's like being a superpower, right? And after all that has all that has happened to you, you are still kind of, sorry, here's the magician and the high priestess, and you've kind of found your balance in anything that you want to achieve. And they also see you as very stable now, after having been through a battle maybe. Now that everything is out in the open, they see you now moving ahead, very stable in your own life, and very wise, as a very enlightened person. Yes, people see you as now taking a fresh leap of faith, of starting something brand new with all the wisdom that you've acquired from this past thing that you've now totally in balance and totally secure, totally safe, and yes, moving ahead for a brand new beginning for yourself. Let's see what Spirit Secret message is for you. 7 of Pentacles. Isn't this the same card, Leo, which flipped out even before I started doing your reading? Yes, this is Spirit Secret advice to you. It's now time for you, Leo, to, let's see what. Why is the 7 of Pentacles here, Spirit? Why is the 7 of Pentacles here? Spirit is saying, Leo, if you are still holding on to anything of the past, yes, you are. You may think that you're the magician. You may think that I've put everything to rest, but your subconscious mind maybe still holds a bit of pain, right? So, yes, there is a bit of fear of letting go completely. People may not realize that about you. People may see you as a very strong human being, but Leo, you are somewhere when you're by yourself, you're still a bit sad with the rejection, okay? You still haven't come to terms with it. You're still feeling rejected, sad, upset. So now Spirit is saying, it's time for you now to sow fresh new seeds. Look at this farmer. He's planting new seeds in his farm, and soon a new harvest will appear. So Spirit is saying it's time now to start sowing new seeds for your life. And let go of this fear of holding on to that past. Without that, Leo, it's going to be impossible to have a fresh new beginning. If you want, right now you are in a bit of confusion. You still go back and forth. You want a new beginning, and yet you're still holding on to the pain of the past, right? That's keeping you stuck. That's the reason the Wheel of Fortune is not moving into a smooth new place. If you keep feeling that I'll never have a fresh new beginning, I always have bad luck in my life where love is concerned, that's what you're going to manifest, right? Because you are in the magician mode here. Whatever you will think, whatever you will speak is what you're going to get now. So Spirit is saying, be very mindful of each spoken word, thought or deed that you're going to put in, because it's going to resound in the universe and you're going to get exactly what you're going to get. Okay? So if you find yourself ever in this mode, Leo, that of still holding on to the past, still feeling that you have bad luck, still going back and forth as to whether you will ever achieve, your goals again or not, sitting in depression, feeling rejected, and not accepting any new offers that may be coming your way. Even the hand of God is offering you a cup, Leo, but you are sad and depressed, thinking, it's not going to, I don't want it because it's not going to work for me, right? So Spirit is saying, be very mindful of these seeds that you're sowing now, because with your power now, you will manifest whatever you want. So what do you want to manifest now, Leo? Okay, be very mindful of every thought that crosses your mind now. Let's take 3 cards for your work life now for December. December for Leo spirit. What can we expect for Leo for December for their work life? Wow, busy at work, aren't you? The minute we say work, a work card comes out. Busy creating your empire here, busy maybe keeping your mind off your, oh my God, new beginnings. Ace of Pentacles, no, it's the Page of Pentacles. So yes, stable new beginnings coming your way. Till now, both cards have been Pentacle based, Leo, for your work, which is excellent from what I see. And your stability is back. Yes, you are working very hard, Leo. In whatever you're doing, you are going to achieve now. You are going to get that stability. It's going to be firm. It's going to be new. It's going to be a new project maybe that you're starting. And you're working very hard towards it, I see. Yes, it is going to bring you to that stable place that you're looking for. Excellent cards for work, Leo. Let's take one clarifier for all 3 and then we'll move on to your love life. 8 of Pentacles spirit. Why is the 8 of Pentacles here for Leo? Oh my God, Leo. Look at this person meticulously working on their pentacles and collecting and harvesting and sowing the seeds of. Yes, if you're doing this in your work, very well. Do the same thing in your love life as well now, Leo. There is some aspect of your life that you're doing a great job, which is work, I think. Collecting your money and doing the correct things. Yes, here you are, strong as a lion. That's your card, Leo. Yes, you are in your power, in your strength, and starting new projects, new work, working very hard, making the right moves here. 4 of Wands. 4 of Wands. Yes, anything that didn't make you feel victorious in the past, Leo, or maybe you got cut short of a job or some business or something in the past which kind of got stopped in the past, you are going to overcome it and now you're going to be finding that stability. Okay, so yes, keep on, keep going, keep going with your project or whatever you're doing, because it maybe some, like from what I see, something didn't work out in the past or came to a halt, but you are re-beginning and now working very hard, and success is all yours. So love life, let's see for your love life. For Leo's love life now, Spirit, what can we expect for Leo's love life? Again the Strength card. Wow. Leo, you are really taking over this reading, huh? One more card, Spirit. Oops. Wow, so many. Okay, so Leo, now once you've gathered up your strength, okay, once you gathered up you've done your healing, you gathered up your strength here, you are going to take back control of your life, your love life. You're going to be back in charge, sitting on your throne, back in your power with all your strength, Leo. And here, look at the amount of passion that's coming your way, right? And it's not from one place I see. I think you're going to be spoiled for choices here. There are lots and lots of options that are coming your way. And yes, you are very clear now. You're very clear of your path ahead. And you're going to be having a great time from what I see in your love life. Let's see. Strength, Spirit. Why is the Strength card here for Leo? Yes, you're recovering from something which didn't work out in your past. Something broke down in your past, Leo, and now you're gathering your strength back again to get back into the game. Emperor. Emperor. Why is the Emperor card here? Yes, now you are clear, you're taking back charge, you're taking back control. After your healing, you are now going to be crystal clear as to your movement, which has to be in the future now. Okay, this powerful feeling of yes, I'm back again, and I'm back in power, I'm back in control, and I am passionate, and you are heading towards somebody fabulous here, a star probably, or somebody who's really going to make all your wishes come true. Okay, this is going to be a passionate new relationship that you're heading towards. Seven of Cups, Seven of Cups, Seven of Cups. I don't think it's going to be anyone from your past, Leo. These are all fresh, new beginnings that are coming your way. Yes, if this person from your past has left you with bad memories. Okay, this person has totally left you with bad memories. You felt the lack of love from your past. This person has totally left you confused. But now I see in the month of December, you cutting through all this confusion now and charging ahead in your love life as well. So let's see where you're charging. Ace of Swords, Spirit. Ace of Swords. Removing the blindfold from your eyes, removing all the self-imposed prison. Leo, thank you so much. This reading totally was about that, about you finally letting go of the feeling that you can never find love again. I think hopefully this reading would have helped you as well to make up your mind, Leo. But now you're going to be crystal clear in the month of December that I don't have to live in my past anymore. This past relationship can be in the past now. I'm not going to be confused anymore. What is done, and I'm removing the blindfold and this self-imposed prison of my feeling I'll never have happiness in my life, to be clear that yes, I am powerful, I am strong, and I will achieve exactly what I want. Okay, so with that beautiful energy, Leo, welcome in December now, and look forward to new beginnings. I think in both, in your work and your love life. Excellent. So that's all I have for you, Leo, now. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.